Happy morning to one and all. I'm here to talk about one of the major aspects of a student's life, without which a student cannot hit a balance. It is a major aspect which helps him to develop a well-developed and balanced personality. It is an aspect which helps a student to overcome all the varied pressures that he finds in his daily life. Yes, I'm talking about co-curricular activities. Academics and co-curricular activities are two important scales of a balance, which helps the student to keep the needle right at the center, stabilized and focused. Chitrakuta has always been trying to expose the students to a lot of different activities in-house. But from this year, we are trying to go head-on and go full-fledged to provide these opportunities to students even outside the school. Already, our senior students have got an exposure and have got an experience in various external competitions. Our school timetable itself is a very balanced one of academics and co-curriculars, where a reasonable amount of PT periods will be there, karate and yoga as per the age level, dance for the junior students, and theatre for the senior students. In the area of sports, with the advent of EduSports, we have been able to introduce basketball, volleyball and badminton as a regular part of Chitrakuta sports. EduSports has also helped the students to build up their stamina and energy levels. The evening sports, which we have introduced, are helping the students to hone their skills in a particular area of their interest. And this has helped them to participate in various inter-school and intra-school competitions. EduSports has also conducted a sports quiz about the topic Wimbledon. And it was a house-wise quiz where students participated with a lot of enthusiasm. Our children have also gone to one or two outside schools, for example, the Tattva school in August, where they participated in a quiz as well as in athletics. The Sahodaya sports which has been conducted was also taken part in by the students. So, this is just a preliminary exposure being given to the students for much bigger things to come later in their future. Coming to the field of art, we started with a bang in the beginning of the year with the book wrapping competition, the photo frame making and the greeting card making for the different age groups of students. Students unleashed their creativity to the maximum and contributed a lot of points to their houses also. Along with that, we are trying to give a lot of information to the students and parents about various art competitions happening externally. And to just state one or two, the art competition which happened in August and just last week in September, many students participated in those where parents themselves took the initiative to help their children to get those kind of exposures. The feather on the cap, I should say, is the street play, the Balakarmikasura, which is a brainchild of our principal, Mr. Chaitanya. This has been done to create an awareness among the public about child labor and that we need to wage a war against it. Our children are doing a really wonderful job of it. They are doing their street play in all public places like bus stops, malls, different schools, different apartment complexes, etc. So this is giving them a lot of exposure to go ahead and unleash their talent later in life. Along with that, when we come to the academic field, the wars, the map war, the handwriting war, the spell war, the map war, all these have gained a lot of enthusiasm into the students. They have put in their best effort, their whole and soul, to try to win the wars and develop themselves. Along with that, the children who participate in a lot of academic related events like quizzes, etc., have also been given a lot of exposure in the school. Coming to life skills, which is such an important part for students to develop. Life skills classes which we have initiated now tries to help the students to think, to introspect, to communicate well, to develop better social relationships, to manage their stress levels, and all these things they are doing to the best possible ability. On the whole, like to sum up saying that Chitrakuta is going at breakneck speed to provide a lot of exposure to their students in various fields. And I'm sure that our students are also going to take it in the same manner and develop well-balanced and well-groomed personalities. Thank you.